over there?
What are you doing?
Watching.
What are we making?
What's Pop Pop doing?
He's making a stand for a bird.
Well, what kind of bird do you have?
I don't know.
What did we say it was?
Yellow-headed red-winged blackbird with a black beak.
A king original, huh?
A new subspecies in southwest Florida.
Jan, screw it. Huh? Jan, screw it.
No, screw it on tight. Ooh, we're gonna have it tight.
What
Tight, tight.
is it this way?
That way. What's that just caught down there?
It's under the
Kind of tight here with the car in here, isn't it?
I remember this. I remember that. It's heavy enough.
Yeah, it'll hold. Once I get
Are you helping Grandpa, Kimberly?
it helping, she's doing it.
You want to get up there?
I'm doing it.
Yeah, do you want to get up there so you can...
How come that was the right size, wasn't it?
Yeah. Get a picture of her. Why do you get that one out?
Right.
Shall we look at the other collection of birds that Pop Pop did? We have a cardinal.
Have you seen the new ones over here that he did recently?
Oh, you got the black. I was looking all over for it.
Oh no, he doesn't either.
Look at the base now.
Oh, I do need my eyes done.
What are you doing? Mixing colors?
Mm-hmm.
Mixing black.
Making it a little thinner.
What is your hand doing, Kimberly?
I'm waiting for the brush.
Well, back it off. What are you going to paint?
This.
Oh.
There. She'll probably be a famous bird carver someday. Taught by an old bird carver from Florida.
I need this to be turned.
The trouble with this, we didn't get enough water and it's all icky. Let me smooth it out a little. May I? I am. Whether you said yes or not, I am doing it. We needed more water in it. It's pretty. What's happening?
We forgot about the eye.
Okay, I'll do one to show you where, and you can do the other one. It's got a little dirty eyebrow. Now, see where his eye is there? Now you got to put one on the other side just like it.
Right here.
Just about there, yep. Just a little dot for an eye. Well, that's pretty good. You did about what I did. You put one up in his eyebrow.
We both did that.
His mascara is running.
So what's the name of the bird, Kimberly?
What do you call it?
No, you have to give him a name.
Oh, You
Like
mean
Ralph or
Pete or something? Oh boy, and I can't pick the thing up because I got too